Hi, welcome back. This is Matt from Jaggers Brewing Co. I'd like to thank you for stopping and checking in on us today. So today, let's talk about some gift ideas for the homebrewer and the chance to win this $50 gift card to my local homebrew shop, Hoppin Grape. More on that in just a few moments. So a good gift idea are books and literature. Here we have two examples of how to brew and brewing classic styles. Both of these books have a good base level and onward as far as home brewing goes. I haven't read both of these books cover to cover, but I do crack them open occasionally when I'm going back and doing recipe development. And it's good to kind of just be able to have a refresher's course on some practices and some techniques. Two other books that I like to have on hand are Designing Great Beers and Mash Makers by Michael Dawson. Again, haven't completely read both of these books cover to cover, but it's nice to crack these open and be able to do some comparisons on some recipes when I'm doing recipe development, get a good handle on things like malts, what's running common for styles, and maybe even just some different variants of styles in the recipe development. Another good gift idea is glassware. It's almost a must at a certain point for homebrewers and craft beer enthusiasts. Certain beers really have different expressions when they're in the correct glass. You can get the aromas and the taste across a lot better. Some glassware can be had for fairly cheap, while others, when they get branded and things like that, they can go for a little bit more. But overall speaking, most of the time, I think it's worth it. Another good gift idea is a journal or a brewer's journal. So this is very, very basic here. This is just a lined journal. I write the date of the brew day on here, all my targets, all my actual readings, be it gravity, be it pH. So it's good to just kind of have at a moment's notice. I can pull this up. Normally it's bookmarked on the last project that I worked on, and I can just work backwards from there and figure out where I was, what I was doing. So another good resource to have, fairly cheap. I do use brewer software. I do go back and put the notes in there, but there's just something about having it here in my hand, that out here over the kettle, that I can make a quick reference point to. Another good gift idea for homebrewer is to get membership or a subscription to brewing software, or extend it for them. That has been probably the number one biggest thing that I've done to change up my brewing. Getting into some kind of brewer software and be able to account for all those sugars, where they're coming from, what's the projected ABV. And it's nice to be able to have everything in a recipe format, go to my local homebrew shop and say, oh, well, I need 14 ounces of this and 4 ounces of that, and be able to account for everything, have a good checklist for everything that I need for brew day, be able to measure out my water salts and get that water profile that I'm shooting for. A good gift idea for homebrewer is membership to a local homebrew club. In my homebrew club, there is a wealth of information that is freely exchanged every time. And it doesn't matter if you've never brewed anything before, or you've been brewing for 10 years and this is the first meeting that you come to. You're welcomed with open arms. Everybody wants to help build everybody else up. There's people there that they're not really interested in brewing beer or wine. They're there, they want to learn how to make sodas. So there's a lot of people there that, they they brew quite a lot of different things. There's people that brew meads exclusively or wines exclusively, and they're curious about brewing beer, or they're just there to show up and see who knows what about making cheese or meads, the wines, and etc. Another good gift idea for a homebrewer is a gift card to your local homebrew supply shop. So Hoppin Grape donated this gift card for one lucky contest winner, and to win this thing you need to type in "I love Hoppin Grape" in the comments below. One lucky winner will be chosen randomly, and I'll make contact with them once they won. The rest of the details for this contest will be in the description and also on a post on my Instagram at Jaggers Brewing Co. We did a collaboration video together covering their Black Friday Small Business Saturday deals. They have a basic homebrewing beginner's kit for $89.99. When you buy that, you get one of their extract kits at half price. They have a wine starter kit for $129.99, and they're doing kind of the same thing with the ingredients kit, half off. Then they have the all-rounder with the pressure kit and spunding valve for $89.99. So be sure to go check out their YouTube channel and their website, Hoppin Grape. They'll have other deals listed there. They will ship nationwide in the US. If you're in the Houston area, they're a great source to get your CO2 tanks filled. They also offer kombucha kits, things to do mead and seltzers, sodas, and they also have quite a few cheese making kits. So in conclusion, these are just some alternative gift ideas. With the gift ideas, the possibilities are endless, such as the styles that you can brew and the fun that you can have, the way that you can brew them. I'd like to take the opportunity to encourage you to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below for your chance to win that gift card. Again, all the additional information to win that gift card for Hoppin Grape that will be in the description below. I'll also have a post on my Instagram, and you know, don't forget to check out their video. There was a lot of hard work that went into that, and don't forget to visit their website. Their link will be in the description of that video. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Everybody wants to help bring everybody up to the same level. I don't really know that because I only have experience in my homebrew club. When you have resources that you have at your fingertips at a moment's notice, granted the internet still that went off on a tangent. So endless possibilities that it can help create as far as friendships, and that is so terrible.